going to make hamburger and carrots tonight. So we'll throw this in the microwave and let it thaw out for a minute. That's pretty much thawed out right there. So I'm going to put that in the cooking cup, which has remnants of other things in it. But fire kills all, so it'll be all right. All right, I just stuffed that in there. I'm going to use a bamboo spatula to chop it up. I'm back in the microwave for another minute to see if I'm cooking that up a little bit. Okay, what does that look like? That looks pretty much done, but I'm going to stir it up and throw it in for another 30 seconds. I still see some pinkness in there. Not much though. Okay, we'll do a 30-second. Huh. Okay, well, I got the paws out of sync, so I have added the carrots and the carrot juice to the mixture and thrown it in the microwave for another minute. So now it's heating up the carrots and the carrot juice and the cheese. I put cheese in there this time in between the meat and the carrots, and so it's heating up. I'm going to have to do another minute after this, I'm sure, but I want to check it in between because I don't want to cook it too much. How do you check it? You stick your finger in it. Okay. It's slightly warm, but it's not hot enough to really get the cheese melted and to taste good. So we'll go back in there for another minute. Not a problem. Easy to push a button. Okay, how are we doing here? I just found a beef meat stick. I still need some heat. These are really good. I'm going to put that in there when it heats up a little bit. I may put the second one in there because I think I'm going to eat this one first. Okay, how's it coming? Oh. That's how you know it's hot enough. It's when your fingers tell you they don't want to be in there. That's kind of the end phenomena. So, holy crap, get me out of here. Okay. So now we're going to melt the American cheese and give it 30 seconds. Yeah, these beef sticks are really good. Very tasty. Find them at Walmart and other fine food outlets. So let's see. It hasn't really started melting yet. I'm going to take one of these meat sticks out of here and stick it in the cup there. There, doesn't that look festive? Yes. Something like that. And I have the other one to eat. So I'm going to put this in there for 30 seconds. Oh, that's hot. So there you have it. My meal tonight. Hamburgers and cheese and carrots and a meat stick, which is nice and flexible and warm. Okay, good night.